formal side.
Yeah.
Yeah. So the amber is very, very strong in here. It's quite spicy amber.
It's good for formal
I
occasion.
detect some leather as well. It's like a leathery tone to it. And it's got a tiny bit of sweetness, not much, but it's quite spicy.
Yeah, spicy, definitely.
Yeah, so what do you think? Age?
I think maturing.
This is quite mature, 25 and up, and also season, I think this is all year round, isn't it?
Yeah.
This is all year round. And what do you give it?
10.
10 out of 10. I thought so because it's very
Beautiful.
beautiful, it's very gentleman, it's very classy, it's very quite posh as well.
Very nice, yeah. Very posh.
Yeah, yeah, very definitely.
And a posh bottle.
Yeah, very posh bottle as well. Okay, so 10 out of 10 for Jaguar Classic Amber. Next one is Lanvin Oxygen. So this one is quite well known again in the community. Many people will know this. Lanvin is another Parisian house. This is from France. They make very good perfumes for very reasonable prices. But as usual, they get shadowed by big names like Dior and Chanel and Yves Saint Laurent and all that. But these smaller houses, I prefer them because they make very good fragrances. They're not any less than the big names, but for some reason they didn't get that much recognition. So again, this is under £20. These are all under 20.
Wow, lovely.
Yes.
Nice bottle.
Yeah, the bottle is classic.
Oh,
Yeah.
I finished.
Yeah.
Oh, cheers. Yeah, very nice.
Okay, so quite a simple bottle, but it does the job perfectly. And let's see how is the atomizer. The atomizer is not bad, it's okay. So, Lanvin Oxygen.
It's really oxygen.
Yeah, it's very oxygeny, yes.
It's like airy.
Yeah, it's very airy,
Very
it's
oxygen.
very fresh.
Yeah, it's different. I don't know. It's very
Yeah,
different
it's
from others.
yes, quite different from others. But it's a little bit on the watery side as well. It's watery.
Yeah. But it's nice.
Yeah, fresh, watery, floral, and a little bit of
Sweetness as well.
little bit of sweetness in there, a little bit of woodiness as well. But it's quite nice.
Yeah, but I like it.
But it's quite simple, on the simple side of things. Okay, so season?
I think summer.
This is definitely summer, and age?
Any age. Yeah.
This is any age, and 1 to 10?
8.
8, okay. I
It's
think
nice.
this is for every day, isn't
Yeah,
it?
every day,
Everyday
yeah.
use.
Very
It's
simple.
quite simple, but it's easy going. Yeah, you can wear it anytime. Yeah.
Not for a special occasion.
Exactly. Okay, so Lanvin Oxygen 8 out of 10.
But I like it.
Yeah, it's nice for the price, especially under £20. All right, the next one is Jaguar Ultimate Power. Jaguar Ultimate Power. So let's see how powerful it is. This is quite new. It came out, I think, last year, 2020. So I never smelled it myself, and I never seen anybody review it. So this is very, very new. Simple Jaguar box as always, quite good. And again, typical Jaguar bottle.
Beautiful.
Yeah, very nice. It's like a turquoise color, so it reminds you of the beach. Very nice coloring. Okay, let's see the Atmo. The Atmo is always good on these ones. So Ultimate Power by Jaguar. Let's see how powerful it is.
Wow, beautiful. Very nice. Floral, quite floral.
Mmm, yummy, very yummy. Yeah, it's very floral. Yeah, floral and fruity.
But fresh.
Very fresh, very fresh. It reminds me of Dior Sauvage. It's not 100% Dior Sauvage, but it reminds me of, if you like, it's in that category. Very fresh, very fruity, very quite woody.
So very classic. Very
Yeah,
fresh.
quite classic as well on the classic side. But Dior Sauvage on that direction, okay? So what do you give it? Sorry, age.
I think mature.
This is quite mature and season.
Winter, I think.
This is all year round.
Oh,
I
you
think.
can wear
all
it.
year round, yeah. And 1 to 10?
10.
10 out of 10. Wow, beautiful.
I love it.
Yeah, it reminds me of Sauvage. Very nice. Very good.
Very nice.
Okay, so 10 out of 10 for Ultimate Power by Jaguar. So that was powerful. And then last one in this video, so we finish it and then we go to the next video, okay? So the next last one but not least is Insurrection 2 Dark by House of Ryan Tradition, okay? So Ryan Tradition, and is a big box, is the biggest box here. Ryan Tradition always makes a good presentation, especially for the money under £20. That is a very good presentation,
Huge
isn't it?
bottle.
Yeah, huge box.
Huge
And
box.
yeah, and it's a cardboard box. It's not as look, it's cardboard. Yes, so it's a cardboard box.
Oh, you can keep it.
Yeah, attention to details is everywhere, and it opens up like this.
Wow, very nice.
Yeah,
Okay.
very nice. And this is 90 ml EDT. The bottles are quite nice.
Nice for a gift.
Yeah, very good presentation for under £20.
I love it. It's red.
Yeah.
Bottle.
So let's
Is
see.
it bottle red or is it juice red?
Yeah, it is a red bottle. It's quite nice. Is attention to details is very good. It's 90 ml EDT, and let's see the atomizer. Yeah.
Beautiful.
Okay. So Dark by Insurrection 2 Dark by House of Ryan Tradition. What do you think, man?
Beautiful. Wow.
Very nice.
Very classic, very gentle.
Yeah, it's again, as he says, dark. It's quite on the dark side, but it's fruity. It's fruity and it's quite sweet, and it's woody. It's quite spicy.
A little bit
So,
spicy.
yeah, it's got a little bit cinnamon, something like cinnamon. But overall, again, it's quite on the classic side. It's quite gentlemanly, and I think this is for mature noses.
Yeah,
Isn't it? Yeah, this is on a little bit on the mature. And what season?
I think any season.
This is any season, all year round, and from 1 to 10.
Oh, again. 10.
10 out of 10. This is very good,
So
especially
hard, yeah.
for the money. Mamma mia,
Choose number.
you cannot beat it. Very nice, beautiful. Okay, 10 out of 10. Thank you very much, Maryam.
I love it.
Okay, guys, thank you very much. This is the first part. So we see you in the next part. Thank you very much. If you like our video, what we do, if you find them informative, entertaining, if you find them useful, please give us thumbs up and subscribe for future videos, and try to share it with other people, then we can get the exposure. That would be great. Thank you very much. See you later, Maryam. Thank you very much. See you. Bye bye bye.